with this new EMP style weapon is just that, and it's being put out there by Boeing, and really this is something people need to pay attention to. Everyone hears EMP. Well, with the EMP, they're exploding a nuclear device up in the upper atmosphere above our country or wherever to affect the things below it. That would essentially black out a place or a country. That's one strike, one shot. Whatever the pulse don't hit when it goes out is still going to be up. So what if somebody came along and they took all this and they primed it and they made this weapon to where they could use it multiple times? And they could strike specific areas and knock out every bit of electronics in the area and leave all buildings standing, no people dead, no bullets flying, nothing's on fire. They just black it out. And what if they could do this multiple times with just one craft? With a can. And I've reported on this before in the past, and I even showed a video on one of the old channels where they tested this thing and took out a whole little mock city below with computers running, fans, the whole nine, everything. Out, fried, just like that, lights out. Because this thing, or a prototype of it, zapped it and took the whole thing out. Now, this is my point. This is called Champ. Okay, Champ is made by Boeing, but Boeing's teaming up with others. You're talking Raytheon. Raytheon's always involved in these projects. They're involved with the sensors and other components, the electronic guts, so to speak, of the device. And then you have, additionally, Lockheed Martin, that plan to use their Joint Air-to-Surface Extended Range Missiles, JASSM-ER. They're going to use these as a carrier to launch. And to make it even better, they can carry these things on F-15s, F-16s, B-1 bombers, B-52 bombers, F-35 stealth fighters, extending Champ's reach. So my point is this, guys. They've got the weaponry to not only go in and zap and take out one spot, but they could take out multiple spots. And when they've got a whole arsenal, a whole fleet of these things flying in the sky, you have to remember, this is just what the public knows. They could literally do a V pattern over a city and take a city out. These are the weapons that they are working on. And they have them. And they just admitted they're now using them. They're in their arsenal. So that's my thing. Eyes to the skies. It's been Dabu 7.